Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song I Can Only Imagine by Mercy Me. This song was recommended to me by Ron Jordan. Thank you, Ron, for the recommendation. Now, if any of you would like to leave me your song suggestions, just put it in the comment section down below. And be sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I come out with new tutorials. All right, now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine, yeah. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak it all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I will do is forever worship you. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak it all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.